Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this brilliant Hyundai i20 1.2 active. Now this vehicle has currently run 33,450 miles and it's finished in the colour Stardust Grey. It does come with full Hyundai service history, it's been well maintained and it's a lovely looking hatchback. It does sit very nicely on 15-inch alloy wheels. Here in the boot you'll find 295 litres of space, which can be increased to 1060 with the rear seats down. Here inside to the rear you'll find your lovely two-tone cloth interior. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Here up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Round to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable while on the road. On the steering wheel here you've got controls for adjusting your volume on the radio. You also have buttons for answering and ending phone calls as well. In the centre of the dashboard here you do have your radio. You've got the display for it here up at the top. You do have FM and AM radio, and you can also connect your music through USB and auxiliary input. The system also has access to Bluetooth telephone connectivity, allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. Underneath your radio controls you do have your air conditioning, which is very easy to use. You do have a small storage compartment there underneath, and below you'll find your USB and auxiliary input and your 5-speed manual gear selector here in the centre.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.